What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house, back with another video, and today I have a very special unboxing here. So I've got Dasai's limited edition Tokyo Mochi, and this is similar to Dasai's Boso Mochi. If you're interested in the unboxing of that, you can check that out here. And I also have the small passenger from Dasai. If you want to see the unboxing for that, you can also check that out here. Now, just message: the Tokyo Mochi is actually limited edition. The public release is July 1st at 1 a.m. UTC time. So if you want to try and grab yours, try to get it on July 1st at 1 a.m. UTC time. Otherwise, you might miss out. But without further ado, I'm going to open up the Tokyo Mochi I have, and then we can check it out. So looking at the box, really cool reflective hologram right here. So Tokyo Mochi in Japanese. And then there is, for those of you who know Mochi, there's Mochi's lovely smile. Special edition Mochi. And then a little blurb on the bottom there about Mochi. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So if you guys have seen my unboxing for Boso Mochi, you know I really love that one. And yeah, let's see how this one looks in person. Alright, will it slide out? There we go. Alright, first thing. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Little Mochi coaster there. Yeah, and it looks like it has protective wrap so it doesn't get scratched. That is super cool. And then here we have Tokyo Mochi itself. So yeah, you can check out the description for the link to Dasai, but that's it down there. Mochi. Limited edition. Tokyo Mochi. Oh, I'm really excited about this now. Alright, let's open it up. This is really cool though. I'm really digging this. Alright, so there's Mochi itself. Let's look at the accessories first. So here we have two double-sided Velcro pads for mounting Mochi, so that's great. And then we've got our USB-C cable to power Mochi. That's super cool as well. So without further ado, we've got Mochi, Tokyo Mochi itself. So. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, wow, sparkly. Oh, wow, okay. So, yeah, there's Mochi. Got the special limited edition designs for the Tokyo Mochi. There you go, Tokyo. And, oh, I didn't even realize this, but it's actually sparkly. Oh, that's super wicked. That's super awesome. And then, let's plug this guy in. I'm going to get the battery bank. Oh wow. Holy smokes. That was cool. I don't think you guys realize how bright this is. This is actually, it's even brighter than it looks. Yeah, I think Mochi agrees. So yeah, wow, this is really bright. It's way brighter than it looks on camera. And actually, let me make it a bit darker so you can actually see the effect. So, 1 second. Alright guys, so I've darkened the room a bit. I just wanted you guys to see absolutely how bright and awesome this thing is. This is absolute insanity. It is the coolest thing in the world. And just like the Boso Mochi, I'm guessing there's probably some buttons and controls to change possibly the light pattern. So I'm going to get this cover off and then we can take a look at that. So just 1 second. Alright guys, so I've got Mochi's helmet off, so a closer look at the helmet itself. As you can see, that really wicked glitter sparkly design. Really like that. That's really cool. And then we've got Mochi himself, the guts. And then yeah, so there's a button here, and then there's 2 buttons here. So that probably takes care of some of Mochi's configuration. So let's plug it back in, and then we can see the different modes. Oh man, that's so cool. Alright, so let's see what this button does. Okay, so bottom right button is mute and unmute. So, and then we've got 2 buttons on this side, so let's see what the top one does. Different strobe patterns. And I know I've said it before, but like this is extremely bright. It's way brighter than you think it looks on the camera. Oh, that's a neat one. Oh, I love this thing. This is awesome. And then the bottom button on the left. Oh, so it's back and forth with the designs. Gotcha. Okay, so one goes up, one goes down with the designs. Oh, that's the coolest thing ever. Let's let's pop the helmet back on. Well, there you have it. So that's Tokyo Mochi. We can unplug them there. Goodbye, Mochi. And then yeah, that's Tokyo Mochi from Dasai. So just once again, public release is July 1st at 1 a.m. UTC time. So if you want to try and get yours, let me get you the thing. Dasai.com.au to get yours. And this is what it comes with: the Mochi and the helmet, the 2 double-sided Velcro mounting pads. And here's the USB-C cable and this wicked Mochi coaster that's got the protective film on it. So once again, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.